So there's so many hard drives out there. There's an SSD, there's HDD, and they got these different acronyms, and lots of people are confused. What are they going to buy next? The technology is changing so fast. So in this video, I'm going to show you the hard drive which I have ordered and which I'm going to use for my Final Cut Pro videos, because my MacBook's hard drive is getting absolutely rammed. So if I just open up the packaging. So guys, this is the hard drive which I've ordered. Literally when it came in the box, I thought that maybe there was nothing in the package, and it was so light. Now this hard drive is from Sandisk. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's got a read-write speed of 550 megabits per second, which is absolutely amazing. And if you're looking to transfer your data to an external drive and you want to carry it all the time, I really would recommend to get this hard drive from Sandisk. Biggest feature is it's light, the storage is great, the price is low, so it costed me roughly £130, which is $150 roughly. In terms of the packaging, it's matte. Flagship feature is its water resistance. It's a portable SSD, 550 read and write speed, and 1 terabyte is the space on it. Here it just tells you that the contents which come with the hard drive. So let's go ahead and open it up. The box, that is the hard drive. High speed, water resistant, shock resistant, rubberized sides. On the rear it says Sandisk and it says 1 terabyte Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD. So on the bottom you have a USB-C port. That's the USB-C port. Now the next thing is that let's go ahead and test the speed. So guys, I have connected my Lacy drive, which has got 2 partitions. One is my Time Machine backup and the other is where I have all my data stored. Both of the partitions have got a different file system, and this is the drive, just to give you a perspective, that it's the Lacy Porsche design 1 terabyte USB-C drive. And what I'm going to do here is I am going to run the test from Blackmagic. So instantly you can see from the test that the speed of the HDD, which is the hard drive, you can see that the write speed and the read speed is very less. So guys, just to give you a perspective, this is the SSD which I've connected right now. So let's go ahead and let's do the stress test and let's check it out. You can instantly see over here that the write speed is 430 and the read speed is 513, which is a lot, and it literally supports ProRes 422 HQ. It supports literally from 720p to 2160, which is absolutely amazing. So guys, this was my test for the hard drive. Okay, so now what I've done is that I have removed both of the hard drives, so neither the Lacy is connected, neither the Sandisk is connected, and I'm going to do the Blackmagic speed test on my MacBook. So let's check that out. Wow, that is amazing guys. So you can see it's 2000 megabits per second write roughly, and 2300 megabits per second, that's the read speed, and that is like 4 or 5 times more than the Sandisk hard drive. So that's the internal hard drive which is inbuilt in my MacBook, which is the MacBook Pro 13-inch Touch Bar Pro, and the speeds are absolutely amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now guys.